Hey guys, today let's learn how to deactivate our Facebook Messenger accounts on iPhone. If we want to go ahead and do so, basically if you want to go ahead and do this and deactivate your Facebook Messenger accounts, it's going to be pretty easy. Now, it's just the same when you try to do that on your Facebook Messengers, because since Facebook itself and the Facebook Messenger app are interconnected, when you basically deactivate your own Facebook profiles, it's going to go the same with your Facebook Messengers. So to do that, of course, let's head over to our settings and privacy, and I want you to click on settings. And once you're here, I want you to basically search for delete and click on over here to delete my profile and information. And once you click on that, of course, we have two options. The first one is to deactivate our account, and the second one is to delete our account. Now, since we want to go ahead and deactivate our account, let's click on that option, which is the first one, and I want you to click on continue to account deactivation. Now, once that is done, obviously, all we need to do next is to enter the password for this account, and once you click on continue, all we need to do basically is to enter a reason why we want to delete our account, checking all of the terms and conditions, and basically letting us know that when we deactivate our account, everything will be basically inaccessible until we log in again. And that is how you successfully deactivate our Facebook Messenger accounts on iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.